So guys, we're going to do an unboxing video of this 25-cent box that I won at MGM Grand Casino. How do you open this? I really don't know how I can open it without tearing the box open. So I'm trying to see. Okay, because this comes out with this is like, see, I'd have to open it from here. Oh la la. I really like something about how they are like this. You know, like how they're enclosed. You would have to break them open basically unless you keep unraveling this part here. But I really like something is very satisfying about these things. I don't know why. See, okay, these ones I made myself. Well, you see, like I had to put tape, and they're like, I don't know, it's not the same. Like these are addicting too, but these are satisfying too. But these are more. These are more satisfying. Like I don't know, they're like totally enclosed. You know, there's no tape. It's smooth. You know, this is what it is. So yeah. You got all kind of different ones. Some are new, some are really old. Look at that. Some are old. But yeah. Let me see if I can put these ones back. Mm-hmm. Yeah.